If you don't like laces and the slip-on is your type of shoe, then Wildebeest is the place for you, because I think we have got at least 15 different ones, and I'm not even exaggerating. Maybe I should one day make a video and show off all 15 of them for you, because and they all are this like Chelsea type of boot. Okay, anyway, but today I'm showing you the fast strap range. I'm calling them the fast strap range, but it's actually just a fast strap. So it's a suede slip-on met 'n lekker grove sool. It's got spoortjies, lots of grips, and then the exact same thing but low cut. So it is. This one goes over your ankles and this one goes on top of your ankles or under your ankles. It depends on how high your ankles sit on your leg. I don't know. Okay, so anyway, same sole as the other one. This grove lekker, we call it a 510 sole. And then we've got another one, but it's not suede. It's just plain full grain leather. And it's got a different sole. It's got also spoortjies, but different spoortjies than the other. Anyway, so this is the fast strap. Actually, these two are the fast strap. These two with these soles. The one is suede, one is not. And then the low cut one is a Bosvark. Because that makes sense, you know. Fast strap, Bosvark. Okay, that allow. Anyway, this is only available at the shopping Kempton Park or on the line. So go to wildebeest.com to get yourself some fast straps or Bosvarke. Yes.
Wildebeest, elke man se natuur.